You get on the thing here and then cover the name and go on the government to the chair. You get on the Yela, Yamajaton, and then you come back in the thought structure Hingawadi, and the Hingawadi, Congressini, Janton, the Daba, and the Congressini, the patient by Jankaramuchi, Aganabana, the patient by Jacqueline, Sasamari, Chiton, Gasari, something there, Proba, Jardinia. Number 90 Tamala, Tujichi, Mato Sumji didn't think to Majo and Nagoya to put Jassa, Lasani to Boba Mombochi, Jamming to Toati, Mato Susunalola, Boba, Mobo, you love the Tamala and Sambisia, Dawati, Boba Mobo, I just talk on the Daba to say, Tamala and Sambisia. Sudan la din se poru mama ga kodrik wok tiri sumchi ti den thon truk chiri nga ba de ta kodrik na da na jimba da ni ro mi thop ta ling kon ni ya yon ni ga tiri nyam de jan sok kon den ta ba den ro shimba yin number han ji chama lan tham de she tiri de la ta da mang me da nga ro song chip ching ga song chip chi ya ga ro kha ching ga number so ro kha chi ni ga nga so ta nyam de jan sok kon den ta ku cha cha kun den la ro shimba tiri mo chikton la zon zom yo sare te de san chen jing ni chama la ta ndigrang ka domba rang song re da ni na yang chama la cham de shi tiri mo ngab ja la zem gomba shi mo dug da ne mo chikton la ta chikton ngab ja ti yar maran zom yo sare sam sam du ha le ya mo bon zom ja su la o te de chama la cham de shi ta shi de la ta de pe shin ba re ja da da
Tibet is never part of China. Tibet is never part of China. Being Tibetan.
sumchi ti den thon truk chiri nga wa de ta la ta em ba de ja shim ba ka yin de la thon truk chiri nga wa de su la truk chiri nga wa de ma zun chok chi ya di mong ja la zin du yin nan de la chi tong la zin thom ni ma zun de la ka ba de ja shim ni na ba chi den du de na ba su chama la chok chi ya di mong ja la de yin na dan de la mong ja la zin thom ni ga chi la ke ma du mo mo do shiu chi lo Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Temba ni number Jeguchi! Temba ni number Jeguchi! Temba ni number Jeguchi! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! United Nations! Wake up! Wake up! 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 UNO! We want justice! UNO! We want justice! UNO! We want justice! UNO! We want justice! Wake up! Wake up! United Nations! 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 Go! Go! China! Go back! Go! Go! China! Go back! 숨지 뒤는 탕죽지를 나와디 단디 깜베나데 나심바리샤 단다 뒤리 오늘 유럽 차장 좀 난데 하는 좀 사요 삼기는 좀 샤. 가서 수수 지고래다 예. 이나 뭐본 좀 샤. 데라 숨지 뒤는 탕죽지를 나와디. 단다 수수가 돼서 버리 무망원이 고르지니 그 단데라 뭐뭐 좀 샤. 나도 깜베나데 나심바리샤. 가서 디 단자 강이 마빠랭게요. 남발한 기초만 참도 쉬어. 투지체 당은 준직랑 그 동바랑 소스야 되와 얘다. 얘나다 뭐뭐 징대 팸니 뭐니. 깜베나데 나심바리샤.
Dalai Lama losses.
니엄데 잔속 된다랑 라서 깜베 잡디 잡지 마티리 쇼바 셴리 페요 마리 타다가 수수 버리 모망랑 뭐니 팸니 그 숨지 뒤든 탕 혹시 링아바디 갑라 가서 버리 모망 고르치니 니엄데 잔속 된다랑 라 쇼요 남발한기서 멋지동 하든 좀니 뭐니 할래 뭐본 좀 샤시 샤면 그 사면 데리 좀 샤 남발한기 청말랑 참듯이 두지체 리랑 그 동바랑 소스야 되와 데디가 망미게 나 거기 할래 야고 지샤 코노 수문이 문납게 세레다 멋지동 라든 좀 샤. 다이나 자기네 삼근도 남발한기 청말랑 참듯이 두지체 돈라 깜 잡신 바리샤.
아니 디젤라 데림데 데림에 만들어갔네. 되게 갑자기 개로 비교.
Singing of the Tibetan National Anthem by T.C.S.L. Folkrock artist.
디젤라 디젤라 아니 가서 대템바 차시기 체도 아니 랑소레 당에 빠모
Followed by the minute of silence dedicated to our martyrs.
Thank you, everyone. Now we will follow it by the singing of Tibetan National Uprising Day song.
Kuchana, ane de ane toka puso ma pero na, ane di jala Swiss tere ma, di jala Swiss tere ma so kama chubila ne ane songshe nanjo.
Now we will have a welcome speech by the President of TCSL.
Pimne? Oj, jag vet inte. Var det pimne?
Tarif में केरकी सिमक्यो बेगी today दी निमुतेला Switzerland and Liechtenstein, Purimima Kapchokeki, Kujishuveki, Tegode, Chupukange, So Rigokombe, Sugar Kondi, Kembo, Kishipensi Chajula, Jamaican Dukite, Kongo Chisu Namba, Kongo Kesiganzala, Kapchokeki, Sokshe Gule, Tuminamba, Kapchurkuki, Tambupiveki, Toto Soshe, Tuminamba, Sunde Maimbeki, Sokaka, Soto Namba, Gule Namba, Tite Shinki, Ningle Seveki, Turupinda, Yola, Ani Kusita, Tambushuyi, Tatari Dini Mutella. Gabeki, Gabeki Nimuchi, Gabeki, Sora Kari Chungshuina, Taribe, Namjusum to them to Turik, the Bella Kudushu, Mizum Chimbuchi, Pegayot, in a Tari, Pernang in a Tanti. Jetu to Doyoveki, Nizum Mambuchi, Maransugi, Jay Yobata, where Yobacha you do. And it's Sengi, Magiva Mates, Jamshavadia. Lang Yureki Tone, Pernangi Permitsuki Kulekum, but the getting on to Jay, you do, and it Tari. Tugi Masoni Pumi, Tachichi Lax, they do some Nasha, and the capture cake Purmi Monkey, Tosan Mingoda. Social to me, you get up shoe, Didangi, Gerget Tone, can get Sangala. One Tangneki, send dinner, and the Tuchi Cheshu. The Pernang Netan, the Yagi mix Segi Tony Fumo over Che, Chidangi, Sameki, Kinsetare, Chichu around to the Chigeki, same for meeting the Yore, need to do around to the stringe, the Ankunchin shoe, may forget Chapan and is a Jobushi to Ya Tata Chik, same Matung, you do the Nayan, the ghetto like. Samuchik Tanshining Tari, Maraki, Tamshi Kusma, Chin, Yushu, and Tingi, Jaloshi Chobachi. We gather here today with heavy hearts to remember the 10th of March uprising in Tibet, a day etched in the collective memory of Tibetans worldwide as a stark reminder of the enduring struggle for freedom and justice. 64 years ago, on this very day, the Tibetan people rose up against the oppressor China, their cries for liberty echoing through the Himalayan peaks, only to be met with violence and bloodshed. The events of that fateful day are seared into the souls of those who witnessed them. A relentless crackdown by the Chinese authorities. It was a day stained with the blood of martyrs, brave souls who dared to defy tyranny and stand up for their beliefs, knowing full well the risks they faced. Yet, despite the brutality inflicted upon them, the spirit of the Tibetan people refused to be extinguished. From the ashes of despair arose a renewed sense of resilience, a determination to carry on the struggle, no matter the cost. His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, forced into exile along with countless others, became a beacon of hope, guiding his people with wisdom and compassion through the darkest of times. But as we gather here today, we cannot ignore the harsh reality that continues to unfold in Tibet. The ongoing suppression of Tibetan culture and religion, the systematic violations of human rights, the relentless effort to erase the very essence of Tibetan identity. The current situation in Tibet is a tragedy of immense proportions, a betrayal of the fundamental principles of justice and equality. Even now, as we speak, countless Tibetans languish in prisons, their only crime being the expression of their beliefs and aspirations, an aspiration that we all have believed in. Monasteries and temples, the only symbols of spiritual devotion and cultural heritage, stand desecrated and silenced. The voices of dissent are stifled, their cries drowned out by the deafening roar of oppression. Yet, amidst the darkness, their glimmers a ray of hope, a flicker of resistance that refuses to be extinguished. The courage of Tibetan activists and freedom fighters, both inside Tibet and in exile, continues to inspire us all. Their unwavering dedication to the cause of freedom, their refusal to surrender in the face of overwhelming odds, is a testament to the indomitable spirit of human soul. As we stand here today, let us pledge to stand in solidarity with the Tibetan people, to amplify their voices, to demand justice for those who have been silenced. Let's not rest until the light of freedom shines once more upon the roof of the world, until the cries of the Tibetan people are heard and heeded by the world at large. In closing, let's honor the memory of those who sacrificed everything for the cause of freedom, and let us recommit ourselves to the struggle for justice and equality for all. May their courage and resilience serve as a guiding light in the darkest times, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, hope will always prevail. Thank you. After 65 years, issue of the Tibet must be resolved. Padundela, Chino Kosakam Kuchumbuchola. Ning Tapane, Kusum Kucha Pivet Talk, and Kuse, Keket Tembata, and Purgit Temba, new to Sechini, to me. Shijen Hansom, and Chemalo to Jendi, Mantu Botala Tula, some Guyoveki, Mundu Shuyu, to Chema. Hegelo! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Long shore! Matcha! Puggy Tapo! Pernangi permitted Lusolonjo Nangati Tula Chanchini, Tujisi, Purimi Manki, gave Legu Kandejine, Sataribu, and Yamjuna, the Yam to Bushu, Tuchena. Tuchena, Togola, and the Jella, the Kinde Nikolina,
Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! No human rights! No human rights! No human rights! No religious freedom! No religious freedom! Stop the boarding school! Stop the boarding school! Stop the boarding school! Stop culture genocide! Stop culture genocide! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop torturing! China lies! China lies! China lies! China! Go! China! China! Go! Long shore! China. Out, out, out. China, China, China. Out, out, out. Turkey Darfur. Penny in. Turkey Darfur. Penny in. Yamal Furnace. Yamal Furnace. Longshore, Longshore. Longshore, Longshore. Longshore, Longshore. Take it up! Take it up! Longshore, Longshore. Longshore, Longshore. Mata, Mata. Mata, Mata. Longshore, Longshore. Jana Penny. Jana Penny. Take it up. Take it up. Jana Penny. Jana Penny. Perambe. Perambe. Take it up. Take it up. Mata, Mata. Mata, Mata. Jana Penny. Jana Penny. Perante. Perante. Lonely. Lonely.
Business!
In Tibet.
Release political prisoners!
In Tibet.
Release political prisoners!
In Tibet.
Safe rivers!
Tibet.
Safe rivers!
In Tibet.
Safe rivers!
In Tibet.
Safe environment! Safe environment!
In Tibet.
Safe environment!
In Tibet.
Stop dam building!
In Tibet.
Stop dam building!
In Tibet.
Stop dam building!
In Tibet.
Stop genocide!
In Tibet.
Stop genocide!
In Tibet.
Stop genocide!
In Tibet.
Tibet is burning!
Lie.
Tibet is burning!
China is lie.
Tibet is burning!
China is lie.
China lies!
Tibet die.
China lies! China lies! Wake up, wake up! Wake up, wake up! Wake up, wake up! We want justice!
In Tibet.
We want justice!
In Tibet.
We want justice!
In Tibet.
Release political prisoners!
In Tibet.
Release political prisoners!
In Tibet.
Release political prisoners!
In Tibet.
Safe rivers!
In Tibet.
Safe rivers!
In Tibet.
Safe rivers!
In Tibet.
Stop dam building!
In Tibet.
Stop dam building!
In Tibet.
Stop dam building!
In Tibet.
Stop dam building! Stop the colonial boarding school!
In Tibet.
Stop the colonial boarding school! Stop the colonial boarding school!
In Tibet.
Safe environment!
In Tibet.
Safe environment!
In Tibet.
Safe environment!
In Tibet.
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetan.
Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to!
Tibetan.
We want justice!